Welcome back to the RNN News, real nigga news brought to you from a real nigga, by a real nigga, for a real nigga. Top story. My son should rule through me. Now a lot of you young brothers need to get up on what I'm finna tell you. It's a lot of these dudes try to get you to deviate from your natural point of view, your natural love for mama. See, the reason I even get on this motherfucker because you brothers, you young brothers that's heading to prison. You know, you have these old niggas mentality, these niggas that don't give a fuck mentality. You know what I mean? You followers, you need to start holding your own dick, start holding your own nuts. And the first thing to start holding your own nuts and dick is to get out this disrespecting your motherfucking mom and sisters and daughters and shit. That shit ain't cool. We can't get to the next level if we disrespect our moms and let other people disrespect our moms. In order for our moms to be on the throne, we have to put them there. It takes us. Nobody can change our condition unless we're willing to change the condition of ourselves. A lot of people say, JT, you didn't change your tone. I ain't changed my tone. I just got another method. I have another agenda. And my agenda is to make sure my brothers motherfucking have mentally. Everything I got, I'm going to give to them. Mentally. If I can make them stronger, mentally I'm going to make them stronger. If I have to readjust my videos to make them stronger, I'm going to do it. If I have to change to make sure they alright, I'm going to do it. Whatever necessary, whatever I have to do, if I have to evolve, so be it. I know I can just go on this motherfucker and just pound you motherfucking niggas. Oh, y'all already know. Shit, y'all niggas can't handle me. Shit. I think too fast, I talk too quick, and I'm cool. I'm cool as fuck to anybody. You gonna relate to me. My shit sticking you. You heard of Johnny Appleseed, you heard of JT Appleseed. My shit sticking in your subconscious mind. So I want to give you this video. Let this stick in your mind that the only way we can get out of our condition is we support, love, and respect mama. Young brothers, don't let these dudes these dudes that talk down to mama disrespect mama. Don't think that's cool. That's not cool. You getting it from the realest. That's not cool. You got to respect mama. You want somebody to respect your mama. I want somebody to respect my mama. So we got to get out of that mentality that a black woman ain't shit. We got to get out that mentality that we are over the black woman. We got to kill that mentality. We got to suppress our ego. We got to put that motherfucker in check. Our mothers is the greatest thing that ever happened to us. And we got to protect that for now. So, I mellow out, just to make sure y'all brothers know there's a transition happening. I'm gonna have to just, be more direct, be more articulate. Don't be too much of, y'all know I'm a comedian. You know I can make you laugh. You know I can talk shit. You already know that. But right now I have an agenda to accomplish, and I ain't gonna stop until I accomplish that agenda, and that's to make sure or stop as many brothers as I can to go to prison. And if you are in prison, I'm gonna help you while you in there. You know what I mean? So you don't come out institutionalized. You don't come out a follower. And that's the main thing about me. I don't want y'all young brothers to become followers. If you young brothers listen to this video, do not become a follower. Hold your own dick. Grab your own nuts. Stand behind your own convictions. Don't be controlled by time and the expectation of others. When you can do that, that's when you're ready. Learn for yourself. Somebody teaching you, tell them to make their understanding understood. Go check it out yourself. Get an understanding yourself. Make your decisions yourself. Don't be in these damn groups. Be your own one-man gang. Be a lone soldier. And respect mama. So I put this video together, you know what I mean? Something to sit back, lay back and check it out, you know what I mean? And read what I have to say, you know what I mean? Some things I'm just talking shit. Some things I'm talking some real shit. You know the difference, because real gonna always recognize real. So it's the RNN News, real nigga news, brought to you from a real nigga, by a real nigga, for a real nigga. And check what I got for you.
Girl, don't you know you're so beautiful? I wanna give all my love to you, girl. Not tonight, rest of your life. I wanna be always here by your side. Girl, don't you know you're so beautiful? I wanna give all my love to you, girl. Not tonight, rest of your life. I wanna be always here by your side.